for watching. This tutorial is about how to play Silent Night by The Temptations. This is a requested tutorial, so please do enjoy it. Please leave me a like and a comment. So let's get right into it. The first part of the song comes on just like a little lullaby. So it's in the key of C. Remember from my past tutorial, I did tell you how to find the middle part of the keyboard no matter the size of the piano. So the two sets of flats and sharps, which the first of two black keys. And to the left of that first black key, there is your middle C. So you want to start from there an octave higher than the middle C. And we're going to start, you just want to kind of let the piano talk through this part because it sounds like a little lullaby. So we're going to go up to E in the left hand, double E, and then the right hand you're going to play B, E, and G. So you want to kind of do a little roll there like that, okay? From there you're going to go down to G, B, and E, so, and then A and C and E, and your right hand, left hand is going to go up to an A. From there, you're going to go C, D, E, F, and your right hand, left hand can go down to a D, so C, D, E, F. So to put all of that together, okay, right hand is going to go down to a D, then you can just add A and F in there, and then up to an A, G, down to and D, right hand, left hand can go to F and D. Alright, so to put all of that together. Alright, right hand is going to do another walk from E, F to G. Left hand goes down to E, B, E. Right hand is going to go up to B and then C. So A, left hand is going to go up to a G sharp and A flat. Okay, and then left hand is going to go up to an A. Right hand is going to go down to an A. G, E, C. Left hand can go down to D. Hit that again, and then right hand can go to an A, and an A in the right hand, G in the left hand. And then you're going to do a chord, F, A, C. G in the left hand goes down to a lower G. Okay, let's put all of that together here. Right hand is just going to go ahead and start the song with an A and C, double A, C. Left hand is going to go down to double C. Okay, so do that one more time. Left hand is back at the G, right hand goes double A, C. And then all of the chords together we can do, let's add an E in the right hand too. So an E, C. Right, left hand is going to go down to a G. Okay. So while your left hand is on double C's, right hand is going to go ahead and add a E and G to that C by itself. So E, G, C, double C. Left hand is going to go up to double D's. Right hand goes to F, A, C. Okay. Left hand is going to go up to double E's. Right hand is going to go up to G, C, E. But you know what? You can add a B flat in there, just to give it some more depth. The left hand is going to go to double Fs. Right hand goes to A, C, F. Okay, so do those together. Okay. And then, you add some jazz in there. You can come up here to A and C, do a little walk up. All right. And then from there, you're going to go back down the keyboard. So go back to those same chords. F in the left hand, right hand is A, C, F. Back down to G, C, E, right hand. Left hand is on double E's. F, A, D in the right hand. Left hand is going to go to double D's. Left hand goes to double C's. Right hand is going to go down to E, G, C. And then you keep doing that. Then from there, you're going to pretty much just do like a slight change here. You're going to go, so after you come back down for the last time, the ooh part, you're going to go double A's in the left hand. Right hand is going to go E, A, C, A, C, E. Keep your double A's in your left hand. And then add a G in there in the left hand. Right hand is going to go F, G, B, D. And then you start the chords back over. All right, so now we're going to take a moment and put everything that we have learned so far together. For the part with these walk ups, walk downs right here, do remember that that part is about 8 times in the actual song itself. But if you're playing this, as a solo, you may not want to add all of those times in there. So you're more than welcome to do what you want with that part before you get to that inverted chord right there. You're more than welcome to do that part however many times you want. So let's go ahead and put everything together. I'm going to add what I want to add. You are more than welcome to do the same. So let's move on. So this part is basically, of course, just the classic Christmas carol, Silent Night. So you start with the double G's in your right hand. Left hand is going to be on double C's. You can also add some filler notes in there like a C and E. And then you're going to go up and back down. And then add a little jive in there where your left hand can come up to a G. Right hand is going to do C, E, G, D, F, A, and then back down to C, E, G. And then you can go ahead and come down with those same notes again that we learned earlier. A, D, F, and then C, E, G. All right, that's okay. Let's put all of that together. Repeat. come down with those same notes, and then left hand did a little walk up to D and E, and then you're going to go back to the chord we learned earlier, which is F, G, B, and D, and then you can come up here if you want to like really, present it how it is, come up an octave higher. Okay, invert the D on that chord, come down to a lower D with F, G, and B. Left hand stays on that same G. All right, and then right hand just kind of fills the song in by playing those chords more than once. Left hand can go ahead and do a walk up. G, A, B, C. Right hand does E, G, C, back down to D, F, A, and then a C, E, G. And then put that same chord back in there, that same walk up. And you should be able to carry. Repeating everything. All right. Right hand goes up to F, G, B, D, and then A, B, D, F. Then back to F, G, B, D. Left hand does double G's. You can put a D in there. And then that same walk up from the first part. All right. Right hand does a C, E, G, C. Left hand walks up to E and up to G, and then back down to E, and then back down to C. So that's all right. Right hand, as mentioned, is on C, E, G, C, and then you can come up here higher octave, inverted chord, G, C, E, and then back down to C, E, G, C. All right, C, E, G in the right hand. Of course, left hand stays on double C. All right, so right hand just added an A there. All right, left hand is on G and F. You can add a D in there. Right hand does B, D, F, and G. And then goes back to that F, G, B, D. And then back down to double C's in your left hand. Right hand does E, G, C. Okay, let's put all of that together. know the whole song. So let's put it all together. Again, I am doing what I want to do. You feel free. Let the piano talk back to you. Thank you so much for watching, musicians. Have fun with this song. Enjoy playing and enjoy what you love to do.